Alright, there's my Great Northern Trailer Works. New trailer. There's where the mini skid steer goes in the dump bed. Dumped a load of cedar logs right here. So some cedar blocks. There's an oak log. There's our Wood Mizer LT14 mill where we mill the oak logs. There's where it's drying right there. Let's go in, I'll show you what the kids are making. Alright, here's a solid oak electric guitar, student built. This is a oak tree that was fuel reduction waste, came into the wood shop, got milled into lumber, dried, machined, surfaced, CNC cut, and now assembly. This is a cool project right here. How do you like making this?
Yeah, it was pretty fun. It was hard to get all the flaws out of it and everything,